The Climate Quiz is funded by Silicon Valley Community Foundation's Envision Bay Area initiative. Visit youchoosebayarea.org to learn more.
I'm Tana Castro, and this is the Climate Quiz. Vehicles in California account for a significant amount of greenhouse gas emissions into our atmosphere. Yet to combat that, a number of cities have already developed or have plans to create an extensive network of bicycle routes for their residents. What do you think that number is? Do you think it's A, 35%, B, 50%, C, 65%, or finally D, 90%?
The town I live in is all bicycle paths all over. And so I think 65 is a good number because it's spread out and a lot of them are built on already, or there's mass transit in San Jose. That's why I think as much as people would like the number to be higher, there isn't enough room, I guess, to do it right now.
I think it's up there high, 90s.
50?
35.
50.
35.
Why is it 35?
35.
35.
Because obviously.
35%.
Probably upwards of 50% because anywhere I drive, there's always a bike lane that I have to look out for, which is annoying, but still, it's there and it's a good thing.
I think that is very limited. I'm a cyclist and I only see that more like 20%. It's not even 30%.
The correct answer is D, 90%. We are at San Francisco International Airport with Dr. Daniel Sperling from the Institute of Transportation Studies at UC Davis. Tell us a little bit about how bike trails can mitigate climate change.
Well, biking really is making a comeback, and it's great not only for climate change, but it reduces pollution and oil use, and it saves money, and it makes you healthier.
So why do we need bike paths, and are there some good examples of where we can find them?
We need bike paths because people feel safer with them. I just biked in Los Angeles on the arterials. It was a scary experience with all those cars. In Davis, for instance, there's an entire network of separated bike trails. You can go to work without dealing with intersecting with cars at all. It's much safer, people are comfortable, almost everyone does it.
If you don't bike, there's other ways to reduce your carbon footprint, other forms of transportation you can use.
Yes, other forms are telecommuting, where you stay home one day and work at home, save at least a gallon or two of gasoline and a lot of money. Another option is public transportation or carpooling.
I understand these are a lot of cost-saving measures, but tell me, what is the big picture benefit in all of these things?
Well, the advantage is you're saving oil, meaning we don't have to import oil from the Middle East. We're reducing pollution, and we're reducing greenhouse gases, which means less climate change, which is good for all of us, for the entire world.
Professor, thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Tana Castro, and that's the Climate Quiz.